Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Today we got a fresh trade, comes right in. We'll trade for anything that doesn't eat. So we've got a 2019 15-foot Sea-Doo personal watercraft that has got all the performance that you expect out of a Sea-Doo personal watercraft. You can ski behind it. You can do all kind of maneuvers. It's just a fun bike. You can take it up in some real skinny water, but some of the special features on this is it is a Fish Pro, which means this is a fishing boat. We'll go with a couple of options with you. You have a complete digital display right here that has your mile an hour and all, but what you can do is you can actually put this in a trolling mode. It has like 4 trolling modes speeds. While you're in trolling mode, you don't have to adjust the steering. You can sit on the back and watch your lines as you're trolling. 3 or 4 different speeds that you can adjust. So it actually works really great for trolling. Comes with its aluminum trailer, but I'm gonna go over a couple more options with you and show you some how easy everything is. Everything's modular. So you can pop this seat off, which actually gives you more room for your platform to fish. If you want to bring a fishing buddy with you, simply lock it in, locks in place. I'll go over a couple of other options that it's got here in just a second. So now we got it equipped with the optional cooler. So you have a fresh cooler here, keeps ice, nice insulated cooler. But what's really neat about this is it has these fishing rod holder sections here. You put the optional fishing rods in, these actually angle out for the side for trolling like we said earlier. You can actually troll 3 lines. You have 1 off the back and 2 off of each side. Nice cutting board up here for your bait. Comes with another one, optional dry box here. But we got several different features up front. You've got a dry box here for your phone. Automatically pulls in, Bluetooth to your stereo. So a smart box for your smartphone. Now we got the trunk open. We got plenty of deep storage in here for your anchor, your life jackets, just safety equipment. But this also has got a Garmin multi-function screen. Also has your bottom machine on there, so you can actually, it is a fish finder, so you can see the fish underneath you. Also GPS on here, so if you meander up into the mangroves or up into the marshes, you can find your way back easy. This boat will just take you up into just skinny water. It's a great boat for you and your family. Take your buddies fishing, take your grandkids, go up in the marshes or up in the mangroves. So the gunnels here are actually angled. We got non-skid on it, so you can actually rest your feet very comfortably here when you're fishing. And it is big enough to take your best fishing buddy with you. How you doing?